Hello everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is a hot flash and wrinkles makeup video, and we are going to be testing out a whole bunch of Catrice products. One of my lovely subscribers sent me these products, most of them, and then I tried to fill in a few things like the foundation we've used before. It's also Catrice, but I think I liked it, so we're going to use that just because we're on a Catrice kick. And they're probably, I know the brow product, there's no brow product, so I will be using my regular Ulta one that I've been using. So let's get started. Okay, so we're gonna start off with the Smoother, I can't read today. The Smoother Plumper Primer Concentrate, and it is a Catrice product. It is one of the ones that I was sent. So we'll try this because smoothing and plumping is a good thing. And I just put a little bit on my finger. Oh, better take the glasses off. So smoothing and plumping. Doesn't have any smell. It doesn't feel that great. Put a little more. Soaked in really fast, which is why I feel like it didn't really feel like it. Maybe I just didn't have enough. It feels better now. I think I probably just didn't have enough. We don't have a powder, a setting powder, so I'm going to use my Bye Bye Pores, and I'm going to use my brow powder from Ulta. We do have a concealer and a blush and a highlight and a bronzer. We also have this stick blush. It's a blush, but I think I'm going to use it on my lips because I have a powder blush. So we're going to do that, and that should take us all the way there. Oh, and then we're going to use this Nude, the Pure Nude from Catrice. We've tried out one of these, the rose colored one, and I liked this formula, so this should be good. If I can get it open, yes, it's very pretty. And I'm not sure which way we're going to go with that, but it's going to be beautiful, I'm sure. All right, that's probably long enough for that. So let's go in with our foundation. Now this is, like I said, we've tried this before. I haven't worn it in probably since then. It's been a while, but it's not that long. So anyway, that's what we're doing. Okay. Let me grab a brush to spread this out. I don't really have a lot to say about this because we already tried it. I'll tell you in a minute when I get closer. The color will be fine once I get it all blended in, I'm sure. Got it on my lips. And make it beautiful. Blend it all in, push it into my skin. 2 more days till I get my hair done. I know I would have waited till afterwards to make this video, but the video has to go up on Wednesday and the appointment is on Thursday. But I did check with her this morning and she said, yep, we're still on. So I'm so glad. I'm ready. To say the least, I am ready. All right, let's go in with our concealer, and it is the Catrice Liquid Camouflage, and it's lasts 12 hours, and yellow. It's the color 300 yellow. I don't know how that's gonna work. Hopefully it's good. If not, we'll just put a little bit of our Derma Blend on top of it. It's yellow, but hopefully it'll blend out to match my skin perfectly and cover up all the purple. Well, it definitely blended out. I'm afraid it blended gone. but we're trying it anyways. See how it looks when we're done. It definitely would not be my choice. And I've seen people say that they love the liquid camouflage, but was it the Catrice? Or did they just steal the name? Alright, well, we're just going to go with it. Hopefully once I powder it, it will pick up some slack there. Alright, we're going to go in with our Bye Bye Pores. See if we can get a little more coverage out of this concealer. Okay, now I'm going to take my powder brush and just spread that out. And then check it out. Yeah, it's okay, but it wouldn't be my favorite because it doesn't have as much coverage as I need. Okay, moving on. We're going to use this is the Holiday Skin Bronze and Glow palette from Catrice. So I can get it open. There we go. It looks like it's going to be beautiful. So we're going to use this brush because it's semi-clean for our bronzer. Yeah, that's nice. That jawline chiseled out. My husband bought me one of those, I don't know what they're called. You put them in your mouth, they're like little rubber things on each side on your teeth, and you bite up and down on them for like 60 seconds, and you do that a couple times a day. It's supposed to chisel out your jaw, make it, build the muscle. I don't know, we'll see. Anyways, I don't know why I got them. I know why I got them, because he wanted one, and they were only 10 bucks, so we got two. One for me. So, I'll let you know how that works out. Alright, now we're going to go in with the, what do you think of the bronzer first? I think it's pretty. Probably could have put a little more on, but that's okay. We'll just go for a, no makeup. We're going to use this is the Catrice Airbrush matte blush, and the color is Spice Space 130, which if I forget to tell you anything, I will list it below so you can look down there and see if I forgot to tell you what color it is or something. Like the foundation, I didn't tell you what color that was, and it is Warm Vanilla. I think that's the only thing I didn't tell you. Alright, let's go in with this blush. We'll just use this little guy here. Ooh, a lot of pigment there. But it's pretty. It is pretty. Okay, we don't need much of that one. Now we're going to go in with the highlight from here. And I'm just going to use my finger, because that's what I do. Pretty. All right. Make it look like it's supposed to be there. I might have put a little too much. Can't have too much highlight, right? Come on. All right, now I'm gonna go off camera and do my brows real quick because it takes forever. It's not real quick. And then I'll come back and we will do the eyes. Okay, we're back, and now we're gonna do our eyeshadow. And like I said, we're using the Catrice, the Pure Nude palette. And let's see what we're gonna go into first. I need to clean my brushes. Let's just go in with a floppy brush, I guess. And we're gonna go into, we're gonna go into this one right here for our transition color. Oof, lots of powder. It's been too many days since I did the other one. Can't remember. But just don't dig at it when you first go in, because that's what I did. I went like this when I should have just tapped it on there. Make sure you tap it off, or you'll have it all over your face. But as you can see, it's got good pigment. I remember that I liked this palette in the, I think it was the rose colored one, or rose gold or something like that. Okay, so far so good. I'm going to grab a little bit of a denser brush for this darker color. And I'm going to go into, I think this color right here. It's kind of a gray brown. And I'm just going to use that. It's pretty dark for the outer V, and then I'm probably going to go on the inner half too, because that's just what I've been liking lately, is to get a real good crease color and then pull it into the center also. I am getting some fallout with this. But I like it. Grab this and brush that off. And it does brush right off, so that's good. Now I'm going to go in underneath with this too, just to create a little shadow down here. I feel like that tends to help hide those wrinkles underneath a bit. And we definitely want that going on. Okay, now I'm going to go into, I think I want to go into this really light sparkly one here. It's either that or the gold one, but I feel like I've got enough yellow going on in my face that I need to go with something lighter. So I'm just going to put it on my finger and put it right in the center here. Oh, it's really pretty. Ooh, it's really dusty though. So then I'm going to take a clean fluffy brush and just make sure the edges are blended. Dust off my eyelash because there was quite a bit of overspray. But it looks beautiful. And then I think I'm going to also go in with a pencil brush to that same color and just put it right in this corner a little bit. Just like that. And we are done with eyes. I'm not going to put any liner on today. So all I got left is the lips, and I'm going to use this. This is also Catrice Cheek Flirt, and it's in Rock and Rose. It says face stick, but I'm going to use it for lipstick because we need to try it out. Oh, first I got to get all the fallout from my eyeshadow. I think that's it. It's kind of peachy. It's pretty. It's a matte though. And you know what I think I'm gonna do? I think I'm gonna put a little diamond dust on it from Fenty Beauty, because I can't get enough of this stuff. And if you ever have something that's a little bit not quite sparkly enough, this is the stuff. Because as you can see, it just adds a little. But then it's just gorgeous. It's just gorgeous. Okay, I need to put these down here, so don't forget them. That's it. This is our Catrice look. What do you think? Picture it with blonde roots. I think it turned out pretty good. And it's very, very, very affordable. I probably could have used that eyeshadow too and stuck with Catrice, but it's too late. I already used the Diamond Balm now. Did I say Diamond Dust? Because it's Diamond Balm. Oh, I can't wait till I get my hair done. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave if you haven't already. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah!